my dear children and my dear parents. Welcome to Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here again with another concept. It is about A and N. When to use A and when to use N. So children, let us read today about N and A. N is used before vowels. Now I'm going to tell you about what are vowels. And A is used before consonant. So total we are having 26 letters. Out of that, 5 letters we are having vowels. Now see what are the vowels. Look at here. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. And in front of this letter we have to use N. N is used before vowel. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now what are consonant? You can see the consonant like B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Like this, in front of this letter, you have to use the letter A. Sorry, it's not word A. You have to use the letter A. And in front of vowels, you have to use N. Now, let us see. You can see here. Find out the vowels. See, I have written all the letters here and you have to find it out what are the vowels like A, E, I, O, U. These are what? These are vowels. And the rest which I have not circled it out, those are consonant. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now you can see here I have written A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now let us do some activity. So you can see the picture of an eye. So E starts with vowel or a consonant. You can see here the first letter of I is E. So it starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. As I've already mentioned here, E. In front of E, you have to use N. So what you have to write here? An I. Book. What is this book? So you can see which is the first letter of book is B. So is it vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant. So you have to write a book. Next, umbrella. In umbrella, you can see the first letter is U. So you can see here, it's a vowel. You can see U is a vowel. So what you have to write? An umbrella. Next one, you can see a picture of a house. So what is the first letter of a house? It's H. H is a consonant. So you have to write a house. Next, let's do some more activity. Like you can see a picture of an orange. So orange starts with which letter? O. It starts with O. So it's an orange. It's an ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. So I also vowel A, E, I, O, U. So here also you have to write an ice cream. Next, fish. The first letter of fish is F. So F is a vowel or a consonant? It's a consonant. So a fish. Mango. So first letter of mango is M. So M also consonant. So you have to write a mango. Next, flower. So the first letter of flower is F. So F is a consonant. or a vowel, it's also a consonant. So you have to write a flower, a flower. Next, igloo. So the first letter of igloo is I. I is a vowel. So you have to write an igloo, an igloo. Doll. So doll, the first letter of doll is D. So you have to write here, D is a consonant. So you have to write a doll, a doll. Next, tree. Tree, the first letter of tree is T is a consonant. So you have to write a tree, a tree. So like this you can go through this some more words in a and an. You can see a cat, a pen. You can see these are starting with a consonant like C, pen, P, a cake, C, a dog, D is a consonant, a house, H is a consonant, a book, a bat, a pencil. These are what? These are all consonant. Next you can see the vowels an elephant, an eraser, an egg, an igloo, an eye, an umbrella, an orange. So you can see and so because the first letter of elephant is E and it's a vowel. And eraser here also E, it's a vowel A-E-I-O-U. So this is what this is all about, A and N. So what is consonant and what is vowel? I hope you understood now. So please go through this video again. You can able to understand. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to this channel Somna Kids World for more videos in worksheets and concept related content. Thank you for watching.